Greetings, Benjamin J. from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, follow up on that 10,005 that arrived today. 13 bucks on eBay. Rather worse the wear from really bad packaging. So a couple of the tabs are broken off in the front. So I'm going to have to use a bit of epoxy to hold this. As you see, it moves quite easily. But other than that, the shell is actually in really decent condition. A bit of damage from shipping, but I got most of it straightened out. Anyway, I've installed the electric motor. I've got it on the fifth rail with 8 Marx tankers and a 3824 lighted caboose. Excuse me. So, still have the magnetic coupler on it for now. Haven't made the adapter yet. Anyway, I just want to do a quick video of this running around the rail. So, as you see, this is up and running. It looks nice, it runs perfectly, and it was 13 bucks. Really difficult to beat that. So old Marx tin litho. This is some old stuff. 70, 75 years old, something like that. So as I said, you can just pull the wind-up motor out, drop in an electric motor, and you're up and running. And it's far from perfect, but it was cheap. 13 bucks. You see these things much more expensive than that on eBay. And as you see, this is running just absolutely perfect. No problem with it at all. So about 5 minutes to drop that new motor in there. I'll spend a few minutes getting this thing straightened out. Got to do a bit of repair to it. Really terrible shipping. The thing got beat to death in shipping. But as you see, it was worth the 13 bucks, no doubt about that. So what am I going to do with it? I have absolutely no idea. I just bought it because it was cheap and I had a motor prepared. When it arrived, it was ready to drop in. 5 minutes and I had an electric locomotive. As you see, it runs nice, it looks nice. It was really inexpensive. So, in any case, I just want to do a follow-up video. As I always stress, don't overlook the junk. This was an old wind-up, and in 5 minutes you have an electric locomotive. I'll make that adapter for the tab and slot coupler. You can run it with anything. So, in any case, I just want to do a follow-up video on this. As you see, it was worth $13, no doubt. So as always, you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, benstrains@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.